Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn numbers. Kids colors name: red color, yellow color, black color, blue color, green color. Kids eye coloring numbers. Kids first draw 1, the numbers of 1, and use red color O N E 1, 2, T W O 2. Kids again use red color and draw 3, T H R W 3, 4, F O U R 4, 5, F I V E 5. Kids night 6, the numbers of 6, and use yellow color S I X 6, 7, S E V E N 7. Kids again use yellow color and draw 8, E I G H T 8, 9, N I N E 9. Kids again use yellow color and draw 10, T E and 10. Kids night 11, the numbers of 11, and use black color 12, the numbers of 12. Kids again use black color and draw 13, the numbers of 13, 14, the numbers of 14. Kids again use black color and draw 15, the numbers of 15. Kids night 16, the numbers of 16, and use blue color 17, the numbers of 17. Kids again use blue color and draw 18, the numbers of 18. 19, the numbers of 19. 20, the numbers of 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.